Hey YouTube, I'm Derek Walker from Walker and Wood. Welcome to my first video on YouTube. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm excited about this new venture just to show you really how to make these things. The build that I'm going to show you is actually a coaster set that I made, so it's super easy build to start off with. A 6-piece coaster set, 2 walnut, 2 maple, 2 mahogany. Got a little base made out of walnut, and got some uprights out of maple dowels. Watch the video, maybe you'll pick up a couple of things or two. Give me the thumbs up if you like it, and if you want to stay tuned to more videos, please subscribe. I would love that. So, see how this thing goes. I start by taking the rough pieces of lumber over to the DeWalt miter saw, cutting those down to the desired length. Here you see the maple and the walnut being cut. Then I take them over to the table saw to get the desired width. Here you see the mahogany going through. So I put those all through to get the desired width for my coasters. And after that, I brought them to the quarter cable jointer just to make sure that all surface edges were square and ready to go. Unfortunately, I don't have a large bandsaw, so right now I'm making do passing through twice the table saw on either side just to get the desired depth of my coaster. Then I bring them over to the crosscut sled. I set up a scrap piece of wood on the clamp just to make sure that all my cuts are the same sizes whenever I pass it through. I made this just out of scrap plywood and MDF lying around the shop. I highly recommend this just for quickness and accuracy. Then I bring it over to the miter saw again, and I set it at a 45-degree angle just to give that octagon look. You can make a hexagon if you want, but for me this is the look that I wanted to go for. Then I brought my router over with a Freud round over bit, and I went over all surface edges on that just to give a really clean and smooth look to the coasters. After I brought it over to the drill press, and I drilled some holes for that will receive the maple dowel rods for the stand. And here you can see I used that guide again just to cut my dowel rods. Then I sanded it up, and after that Caitlin applied some adhesive. This is going to receive the gold foil that we put on, and so we let that set for about 30 minutes and then apply the foil. That took a while, but it turned out really great. Finishing it off then with the Gearhart Industry branding iron, love that. And then I applied 5 to 6 generous coats of General Finishes Armor Seal just for this look, and I think it turned out really great. So let me know if you got any questions, but thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it.